Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AZRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point during the early portion of the day, the price was all the way down there, and then all of a sudden, and let's use a different annotation tool. There we go. Then all of a sudden, the price has worked its way higher and higher throughout the course of the day. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly did make a nice bounce today from its lows. But going forward brings about the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 67 cents. Why is 67 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 67. If the price were to go down to 67 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. On the flip side of things, let's say that the price does indeed go down. However, the difference being when it goes down, it stops right there and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have that low down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 67 cents. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial area of resistance is just simply where the party stopped on 3 different occasions today, and that was right up there at 75 cents. So 75 cents, very clearly public enemy number 1 going into Thursday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, very nice bounce today. Now it definitely becomes the question of, can the price build upon this bounce? Can the price, build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.